Good, how are you?
Gonna make some horsepower today?
We're gonna try.
Yeah. What's injector, CP3, and turbo?
That's 476. Only got 30% over.
Okay.
12 mil.
7693 or 96?
I'm not even sure.
30% and what, CP3?
12 mil.
12 mil? Who's 30%?
Extra piece.
Okay. So high 70s, maybe 800.
Really?
Depends on the injector.
Yeah.
But most of the time, like best case scenario, you're gonna hit 800, but ideally that's the 30% usually limits you around 700.
Okay.
But if you got plenty of air, so the concern is if the turbine side on that turbo is set up for 1100 horsepower and you don't have enough fuel for it, then it might not make enough boost to even make much past, high 600s.
Okay.
And where you could benefit by, you put a 72 on it with the same amount of fuel and you could pick up 75 horsepower. Smaller turbo.
Yeah.
So
It's full, it's decent.
you have to remember that 76 millimeter compressor, it creates a lot of blade load because the bigger your compressor is, the more air it's trying to push, but it's being driven on the turbine side. So it takes fuel and energy to drive it on the turbine side. So if you don't have enough fuel for the big turbine, you actually make less power with a bigger turbo than you do with a little bit smaller.
Yeah, makes sense. I want to put bigger injectors in. I'm just going to be running these for now.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you throw even 100% in it, you get that a good bit.
Got a little bit of nitrous too, so see what
Nitrous is turbo in a bottle, so
yeah.
magic. Drive to second to first. So if your shift linkage is off a little bit, now you're getting cross bleeds because now fluid can go through here to here. So it's very important. It takes very little movement of this manual valve to be wrong.
918, brother. Nice. Good running, man. Oh my goodness. 918. Dude, the thing just walked it in the park.
Excellent. Very good.